If you want to do strong, safe get-ups without wrecking your shoulder or feeling like you're gonna drop the bell, this video is for you. The get-up is one of the best movements you can do for strength and longevity, if you do it well. We've coached thousands of get-ups over the past 11 years, and today I'm gonna walk you through it step by step so you can train it safely and put heavy bells overhead. Start on your side with the kettlebell close to your belly. Put your bottom hand through the handle and your other hand over the top. Grip the bell and roll onto your back. Use both hands to press the bell up. Drop the arm and leg on the non-bell side of your body to the floor. They should be at roughly a 45-degree angle from your body. Roll up to elbow. Keep your eyes on the bell. Press up to the palm position. Lift your hips and sweep your leg through. Make a straight line on the ground with the knee and foot of the sweeping leg and your down hand. Hinge your hips and come up to the tall kneeling position. Your eyes are forward now. Windshield wiper your back knee and line up your legs so you're ready to lunge up to the standing position. Lunge up to stand. Tap your leg with your free hand, ski your foot back and do a reverse lunge, joining the ground very gently with your knee. Windshield wiper your back knee again so your legs are in the 90-90 position. Look up at the bell. Hinge your hips, slide your free hand down your leg, and find the floor with your hand. Shift your weight over that hand and then send your leg through, arriving in the palm position. Come down to your elbow, roll down to your back, put both hands on the bell and pull it to your belly. Roll onto your side and park it safely. If you're thinking, wow, that was helpful, and you want a simple plan, we have a free 8-week beginner kettlebell training plan and buyer's guide. It's easy to follow so you can learn how to use your bells safely and get strong for life. So grab it at the link below. There are a lot of common mistakes that are make or break for a strong get-up, and you're probably making a few of them. That's okay, we all did. It's how we learn. We put together a full get-up playlist that breaks down all the common problems and how to fix them. So check it out here. And if you want coached follow-along workouts with get-ups and so much more, join our Hardstyle kettlebell crew below. Okay, bye!